Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 15. Everyone makes mistakes. The secret is to admit it. When we are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. To do otherwise gives the impression we have something to hide. This behavior leads to mistrust among the management and the employees. If they won't admit they are wrong, what else are they lying about? The accounting books? Warren is always upfront about any mistakes he has made. The first to admit to shareholders when he screws up. He blew an investment that cost Berkshire $2 billion. Warren didn't hesitate to admit to the Berkshire shareholders of his mistake. He said he made an error in judgment and it was his fault. Being forthcoming, Warren wins the trust of his employees and shareholders alike. We all make mistakes. They are positive, if we can gain the lessons. Put a system in place to avoid making the same mistake again. It's not rocket science, but it is critical to your success. Take action. Reflect, correct. Then take action again. Another business tip, from Learn Accounting Fast next. The dangers of making a living on borrowed money.